As you saw during the direct cut video, there may be a situation where your cutting line is not lining up with your outline of your image perfectly. So in this video I would like to show you how to go about correcting that. You will need a large piece of white cardstock for this, and also your sticky mat and standard blade. I'll take the cap off the blade and set it to the appropriate blade depth for this type of cardstock, which I've already loaded onto my cutting mat. I will put the blade into the carriage and then drop down the locking lever. Next I access the settings menu and scroll down to page number 4 to where we have the option for scanning cutting position adjustment. I tap on the tools icon and then OK, and here is a message confirming the purpose of this feature. Now I load the mat into the machine underneath the rollers and press Load Mat. The green Start button has illuminated, so I press that and the process will begin. The first thing that the machine is going to do is cut 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. When it has finished that, it will then scan that area of the mat. On screen you will then see detail of the intersection that those cut lines made, and the goal is to use the arrows to get that little red dot right in the center of that intersection. If you don't see an intersection or don't see anything at all, double check that the cut was successful, and also double check that there is no debris in your scanning bed area. Here's an example of the dot right in the center of the intersection. Once you have done the left, click Next for the right, and then you can click OK. That's now done that process. If you need to reset the original settings or indeed repeat the process, you have options here. However, if you are done, simply unload the mat and then you can return to your settings menu and click OK.